first graders, let's do math 135 today. This is our last math paper like this, so don't cry too hard. But we're going to start out here, and we're going to draw an 8-centimeter line segment for your name. Write the date. You can write the shortened version and the day of the week. Make sure you do the tallies, and don't forget to write 122 all the way to the end. Now let's take a look at the very second problem here. There are 7 boys and 8 girls, and I have them on the back of the piano here, in room 3. 4 of the boys went to the art room. How many boys are in room 3 right now? Now remember I told you that we were going to not worry about the girls at another problem. So here it is. This is the problem. What was the too much information? Well, it was the girls, because you don't care about the girls right now. Sorry, girls. But we want to find out how many boys are in room 3. Do you care that it's in room 3? No, not at this point. We need to find out how many boys are in the library. If 4 of the boys, 1, 2, 3, 4, go to the art room, how many are left? There you go. You can see it. There, that's how many are left in room 3. So now you need to make your number sentence showing that there were 7 boys to begin with, but 4 of them went to the art room, and this is how many are left. Now, you also need to know the thermometer. Well, if we were here at school, we'd have our handy dandy thermometer. You can look right here on our thermometer here. You can see that it is 67 degrees in this room. But you need to find, ooh, it's really cold on this thermometer. You need to find out what temperature it is and then write it down. Remember that we measure temperature in degrees. Then we need to go, come on over here. We're going to count up this money here. And number 4 says, how much money is this? If you have 3 quarters and a nickel, let's put this so it looks the same. You see the quarter is flipped over. It's still a quarter, even though it's flipped over. If you count that up, you remember our handy dandy little quarter, big and bold. You're worth 25, I'm told. So you're going to count 25 and then another 25. Do you remember that? Did you say 50? Super. And then you add another 25. 75 cents. Super. And then nickel, thick and fat. You're worth 5 cents. I know that. So you're going to add up the 75 cents and then add another nickel, another 5. 75, 80 cents. Did you say that? Super. Good job. Now, if you look here, it says color the sphere green. Well, I have a sphere right here. This is a sphere. It's a globe. It's a circle. And you see right here, this is basketball. Right up there. So you need to color all the spheres green. And then the next one, it says color the cones red. The cones are red, just like this ice cream cone here. Way up there. Color those red. And then we need the rectangular prisms. I don't think I have that up there. Just I have the rectangle. But the rectangle prism is here. It's just a geometric solid. It has the faces, remember that? The vertices, remember that? Okay, and then the last one is the cylinder. Remember the cylinder? Do I have a cylinder up here? Right down here. It's the can, like a Campbell soup can. Okay, and you would color them blue. Then if we flip the paper over, it's all of the same things except with different numbers, different problems. But the good news is today, on this very last math sheet of this kind of math, you get to skip the whole number 5. Just put a nice, neat little pencil X right over 5. You don't have to do that one today. How does that sound? Okay? Skip this one. I hope you have a great